One of the really interesting things about computer science is its diversity. It has something for everyone, and it's primarily about problem solving. It's about innovating. It's about designing something new.
This subject is the future. Everything is computer science. Now the means of transport, they all rely on computer science. The cars, the airplanes. If you go in the shop, you see the computer science everywhere. The university cares about you and gives you loads of opportunities and support.
If I had to describe CS at Manchester in one word, I'd probably use vibrant. There's always people who are doing something interesting. Every week there'll be a guest lecture. Students doing interesting projects will want to collaborate on things and talk about them.
Coming straight from a bachelor's in computer science, I didn't really get the option to do any master's courses, so being able to do some of the courses in the first semester was really helpful. They're quite advanced courses to what I was doing in Liverpool as well, so it really helped bring my education up a bit.
From the outset, Manchester's been involved in building large-scale computing machines, and that history sort of permeates the undergraduate curriculum. There's always the underpinning practical experience of Manchester's historical contributions to computing that's in the air around this place.
Lots of our graduates will go on to become software engineers. Some of them will be hardware engineers. Some of them might be accountants and might go into business. One
of my colleagues describes it as a Swiss Army knife of degrees. You can do an enormous amount as a computer scientist out there in the job market.
It enables so many different possibilities with this knife or that knife, this tool that this particular degree equips you with. It really does open a lot of possibilities beyond the traditional stereotype of just being a programmer.
My main research activity for the last 10 years has been focused on the Spinnaker project, and this system has been designed from the outset specifically for real-time brain modelling applications.
There's a lot of work happening at Manchester in the field of healthcare at the moment. In the past, for example, we've looked quite a lot at how we provide user interfaces in audio. So people who are blind and use what we call a screen reader to access information on a computer.
Because I can't see, the computers have given me access to jobs which a generation ago would just be not possible for blind people.
The future of computer science, it is in the diversity of ideas and the combination of many areas of research and many technologies, and also in the diversity of people.
It's a really exciting time to be working in computer science at the moment. We have an explosion of available data, and we're really innovating in the ways that we can understand it. This gives us unprecedented opportunities to have a huge impact on the way that people live their lives now and in the future.
The advice I would give to students coming to university is throw yourself into it. Don't hold back with anything, because the more you put in, definitely the more you'll get out. And if you put everything in, then you'll get everything out.